Numpy sum of operator results without allocating an unnecessary array. I have two NumPy Boolean arrays, A and B. I need to find how many of their elements are equal. Currently, I do len A B dot sum, but the XOR operation creates an entirely new NumPy array, as I understand. How do I efficiently implement this desired behavior without creating the unnecessary temporary array? I've tried using numexpr, but I can't quite get it to work right. It doesn't support the notion that true is 1 and false is 0, so I have to use ni.evaluate sum where A equals B, 1, 0, which takes about twice as long. Edit. I forgot to mention that one of these arrays is actually a view into another array of a different size, and both arrays should be considered immutable. Both arrays are two-dimensional and tend to be somewhere around 25 by 40 in size. Yes, this is the bottleneck of my program and is worth optimizing.
On my machine this is faster. If you don't want to use any extra storage, then I would suggest using number. I'm not too familiar with it, but this seems to work well. I ran into some trouble getting Python to take a Boolean NumPy array. If you don't have number, I would suggest using the answer by @user 2357112. Edit. Just got a Python version working, here's the .pix file. I'd go with this.
If the problem is allocation and deallocation, maintain a single output array and tell NumPy to put the results there every time. This will only work if the inputs are always the same dimensions, though. You may be able to make one big array and slice out a part that's the size you need for each call if the inputs have varying sizes, but I'm not sure how much that slows you down.
To start with, you can skip the B step. If you do not mind destroying array A or B, I am not sure you will get faster than this.
Improving upon INH's answer, it's also possible to get access to the underlying C array and a NumPy array from within Python, by supplying mode =C to array. This is about 40% faster on my machine than INH's Python version, and I've found that rearranging the loop contents doesn't seem to make much of a difference at this point, probably due to compiler optimizations. At this point, one could potentially link to a C function optimized with and such to perform this operation and pass A data and data as int8_ts.
If you want to see more, please consider